everyone. In today's video, we are going to see the word problem based on probability for year 9 and 10 students. If you want me to make the video on any other topic, do let me know in the comment section. If you have not watched my previous video, please refer to the card on the top right of this video. Let's get started. Probability. A consumer organization commissioned a series of tests to work out the average lifetime of a new brand of solar lamps. The results of the tests are summarized in this table. So this is your data. Calculate the relative frequency of a lamp lasting for less than 3000 hours but more than 1000 hours. If the hardware chain ordered 2000 of these lamps, how many would you expect to last for more than 3000 hours? I need to calculate the relative frequency of the lamps lasting for less than 3000 hours. Less than 3000 hours means less than this part. And more than 1000 hours means this part. I'm calculating the probability 75 and 160. Let's add them together. 75 and 160. If you add them, your answer will be 7 plus 6, 13, 3, 1 carryover, 1 plus 1, 2. 235. I need to calculate the total frequency. Let's calculate all the total frequency. That means I need to add all these frequencies. I added 160 plus 75, which is going to give me the answer as 235. 235 plus 30 plus 35, which is going to give you 65. Let's add 65 inside it. If I add it, my answer will be 0 and 3. My answer will be 300. Let's write down the answer for the A part. In the A part, my favorable outcomes are 235 and the total number of outcomes are 300. Let's write down the answer as 235 divided by 300. I need to simplify this in the lowest form. As this number divisible by 5, let's divide this number by 5 on numerator and denominator both. 235 divided by 5, if you divide it, your answer will be 47. 300 divided by 5 is 60. You can write down the answer as 47 by 60, or you can write down the answer in the decimal form. If you divide it, your answer will be equal to 0.783. That will be your answer for the A part. Let's see the second part here. If the hardware chain ordered 2000 lamps, I need to calculate that how much they last for more than 3000 hours. More than 3000 hours is only 35 lamps. So my probability is basically 35 divided by 300. Let's write down the probability here for the B part. My answer will be 35 divided by 300. That is the probability that the lamp is lasting for more than 3000 hours. I have purchased 2000 lamps. If I have to calculate the total number of lamps, I have to multiply this probability with 2000. Let's simplify that. 2 zeros will got cancelled from 2 zeros. 35 times 2 is 70. Let's write down 70. 1 zero is already there, so it is 700 divided by 3. If you divide 700 by 3, your answer will be equal to 233.33 and so on. It is a recurring number. So this will be approximately equal to 233 lamps. That will be your answer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye bye everyone.